What's up, guys? Just got my rubber keycaps in from, what is it called, Tai-Hao. We're gonna open them up and see what they look like. I might have to set the camera down. I don't know. We'll see if I can do it one hand. Actually, just give me a sec. Holy crap! Some strong ass tape. I thought these things were gonna take like a month to come, so I was like hesitant on ordering them. This is for my Ducky 1-2 Mini there, Air 50A. Freaking sweet. All right. Sorry, camera's ridiculous. I don't have a stand for this. So, and I got two sets. One's for my nephew, one's for me. And apparently they send you some little extra. Huh, I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay, let's open this up. I did not know they sent you extra stuff. It's kind of hard to do this one hand. Alright. The little thing didn't come out. I mean, the little key puller came out. The blue looked really good and the red looks really good. Alright. And I've never seen anybody say they had extra keys come with it. That's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's just dice and one green rubber key. Yeah, it's nothing too special. Could be your number keys. It's actually pretty cool. Alright. So, the red ones obviously are for my keyboard. My nephew, he has a Ducky 1-2 Mini and we got white keys for his. And he's got the blue keys put on there with it. One second. I apologize again for the bad camera, because like I said, I gotta hold it. That keyboard's for my streaming PC. Alright, set those to the side. Fuck him. If you hear a dog licking in the background, that is my dog drinking water. So sorry. I don't really want to use this keycap puller, because I really like the Ducky keycap puller better. I don't know why. But I cannot hold my phone and do this at the same time. So we're going to have to borrow this box. That's not going to work. Come on. I don't think the box is going to be heavy enough. No way. Yeah, we'll just set my headphones on the box. Aha! There we go. That'll work. So we're going to do that. Alright, so now, the Q key. Dude, these is actually, like, better than I thought they were going to be. That's actually fire. Alright. Let's get this Q key off here. And I'm going to show a better view once I get them on there. E. Now R. Alright. Let's get the Q on there. Yo, these are actually cool. Alright, that's on there. W's on. E is on. And R. Alright, now let's do ASDF. A. S. No, S key is like barely on there. What the heck? D. Whoa. Alright, come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay. A. These fit really tight too. That's good. Like my S key was like really loose. Alright. S. D. Then F. And then I have arrow keys with it too. The other one's up here. Can't really see it. It's like right there. Now you can see it. I might use those for other keys. I don't know. Because as you know, Ducky 1-2 Mini is a 60% keyboard and obviously doesn't have arrow keys. So, I am going to use the 3 rubber key for now only, because I don't want the textured feel, because I have a problem using number keys when I play video games, and I play Fortnite right now, and 3 key is my trap key, and I want to know that that's the key I'm pressing. So, you know, if I reach up and I feel, oh crap, you know, that's not the right key, I can just reach over and hit the right one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it just makes it a little easier on me, So, okay, I got all the keys swapped now. I want to open up these after I show you. See, the color's a little different. Why? Oh, forgot. Yeah, so you can kind of tell. Alexa, turn off the lights. Okay, so still looks good. Alexa, turn on the lights. Alright, so yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. The keys almost look pink in this video, but in like my point of view, they're red. So I'm gonna open up these other keycaps, the little extra ones. Got 1 green 8 key. That's actually funny. And you have this key. Go to focus. That's going to be like your Windows key or Alt key or Control. Yeah, so there's that. And you got a Tai-Hao key. That's where I bought them. That's probably an escape key or something, you know. And these keys right here are going to be, I have no idea. Oh, probably number keys, definitely. Because that's why they're got the dice on them. So there's your 1. And then, you know, 2 on. There 2. And 3. And then 4. And then 5. And then 6. And then I have this lime green or neon green 8 key. Like I said, I'm probably not going to use that. So I might give that to my nephew, see if he wants it. And these arrow keys, I might use them for like my Z, not my Z key, but my C key and my V. And I think that's the only keys I use down there. I can't remember what keys I use. What the heck? Alright. So, yeah, there you have it. The rubber keycaps. Just get a close-up shot. See, they're like really textured. You can feel them. They're actually a lot more rubbery than I thought they would be. So that's actually good. See, now my fingers stick to them. They don't slide. That's actually nice. Alright, that's nice. Oh, keys are sticking to my arm. No. Alright, that's going to be all for this video. And also, if you guys play Fortnite or buy anything in the Epic Games launcher in their store, make sure to use my supporter creator code. It is, I'm going to post it on the screen. It is iPhantom37, all together, all caps. I just got my creator code today, so that's awesome. Alright, peace out.